This guide will explain how to factory reset iPhone without computer. Part 1. How to factory reset iPhone without computer via settings. If your iPhone is still functioning properly and you remember the screen password, you can directly restore it to its factory settings in the Settings app. Step 1. Open the Settings application on your iPhone, scroll down, and select General. Step 2. At the bottom of the General page, select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 3. Tap Erase all content and settings to factory reset your device without a computer. After completion, your iPhone will be restored to the state it was when you first bought it so that you can set it up. Part 2. How to factory reset iPhone without computer via Find My iPhone feature. If your iPhone is lost, you've forgotten the screen password, or the device cannot access the system normally, you can use the Find My iPhone feature to remotely erase the device. This method not only helps you restore your iPhone to its factory settings, but also protects your personal privacy in case the device is lost or stolen, preventing others from accessing your data. 2.1. How to restore iPhone without computer via iCloud.com. Step 1. On another device, iPhone or iPad, open a browser and visit the official iCloud website. Step 2. Log into your iCloud account using your Apple ID and password. Step 3. Go to the Find My iPhone option. Step 4. From the list of devices, select the iPhone you want to restore to factory settings. Step 5. Click on Erase iPhone and confirm the action. Step 6. Enter your Apple ID password to verify, and iCloud will remotely erase all data on the iPhone and restore it to factory settings. Step 7. Once the process is complete, the iPhone will enter the setup screen, requiring activation with your Apple ID. 2.2. How to reset iPhone without computer via Find My app. Step 1. On another iPhone or iPad, open the Find My app. Step 2. Go to the Devices tab and select the iPhone you want to erase. Step 3. Scroll down and tap Erase this device. Step 4. Confirm the action and enter your Apple ID password. The iPhone will automatically restore to its factory settings.